Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a very simple, a tricky makeup tutorial. That is, I'm going to be doing a simple base, a simple makeup, and sorry for the break. And I'm going to be converting that makeup with little things to be changed, and I'll just change little things and convert it into a party makeup, like a going out makeup. So doing a normal makeup, just staying at home makeup, like we want to be at home and we want to look a little presentable if someone comes. I mean, this is a lockdown, no one's gonna come and we're not gonna go anyway, so it's just a makeup tutorial I'm doing. Okay, so right now I have just washed my face. Like, I took a bath and I washed my face with the charcoal face wash. You know, I really love charcoal face wash. Last video I told you about a face wash of Bombay Shaving Company, activated charcoal face wash, which is completely jet black in color, and I washed my face with it. I had a zit here and since yesterday, here and here, and both of these popped out in the morning, so I'm clean now. And I'm having little dark circles, better than like 2 days before. 2 days ago I had a lot of dark circles. I made a video which was my last makeup tutorial maybe. So let's start with the video. So first of all, I'm going to be applying a cream. So the cream I'm using today is Garnier Wrinkle Lip, which I told you is a very cool kind of cream. It soothes your skin and it's very hydrating and moisturizing, so it stays on your skin for like, right now I'm applying it 7 p.m. It would stay till 1 a.m. like midnight. I don't have to make my face hydrated or use any hydrating spray or something. It's gonna hydrate it. You need to use a normal quantity, not a lot. According to me, little quantities doesn't matter. Sometimes we use just one drop of a thing, just one tinge of a thing. That doesn't matter. You should use a normal quantity at least, or a generous amount depending on your skin, you know, the texture and the nature of your skin. Makeup should be in normal quantity only. Like, we shouldn't apply a lot of foundation or a lot of concealer or a lot of translucent powder or a lot of highlighter. No. If we're doing a particular look, then it's fine, otherwise it's not. So you can see my skin is completely clean and clear right now. Like, I'm not having anything on my face, and I have been on a skincare routine since this lockdown, so I find my skin very breathable, and pores, they all are like clean. They are not clogged, or no blackheads. I never have blackheads, very rarely, and no zits and all. Just little dark circles, which are very normal, natural. I'm 30 years old also, so my sleeping routines are all messed up due to this lockdown. So dark circles are a little more, since if you see my videos of 2 months ago, so these are a little bad, but let it be. So I'm going to be using a little roll on today. So for erasing dark circles, this is Age Rewind of Maybelline, and I absolutely love this product. So it is in 2 shades only, and I use the shade which is a little fairer to my skin tone. Reason is I want to hide my dark circles. So, oh, I forgot to take out my makeup brush sets. So I'm going to be using a normal stippling brush, which is actually used for a foundation to give airbrush effect, because I want to just, you know, do not blend it like a lot. I just want it to be on the skin, like, see, little better. This is the beauty of this product. Even if it's stippling brush, it is blending like beautifully. I don't find stippling brushes very good for blending. If you want to go for blending, you need to use Face Expert brushes or proper, you know, kabuki foundation brushes. So you can see dark circles are a little better now. Now I can see skin is normal. Very natural. Little dark circles I left, which are very natural. Every person is having dark circles. Even if I have seen white colored persons, they are having dark circles. I have seen people having, all the people having dark circles. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the foundation. So foundation, I'm going to be using this Lakme 925, which is primer plus matte foundation. So I'm not applying any primer today. As they say, it's a primer and, you know, primer foundation, primer plus matte foundation. It doesn't do the work of primer much, but I have applied a good, you know, moisturizer. I don't want primer, and I don't feel like doing so much heaviness on my face. Okay, this is a medium coverage foundation, and it is a half shade lighter to my skin tone, but in the yellow tone. golden tone, yellow tone, whatever you say. So I'm using a very beautiful foundation kabuki brush, which is a round brush of ProArt AK42. I have the flat on brush of kabuki also, like ProArt, and that is lying in my vanity because that one and this one is almost same. Like when I use them, they are same. So I washed it and I put it back into the other vanity, which is like the new product vanity. So you can see that how this brush is blending the foundation, and I really love this brush. I have done a whole video of makeup brushes, the ultimate makeup brush set guide for beginners and professionals. Like the brushes which I have shown can be used by beginners and professionals, or professional makeup artists, or normal beauty parlors which are in like streets, which are not very heavy branded beauty parlors, which take very nominal charges for makeup, which don't kill you with your pocket. So that makeup brush guide you can follow, and it's gonna be very helpful to you. You can watch it. You go to my channel and just scroll down, there are some videos, and you can see the ultimate brush guide video. I have told about each and every brush, 3 to 4 foundation brushes, concealer brushes, powder brushes, all the kind of brushes. Okay, so this is my base. I have done like a little before concealing of the Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. That concealer name is Dark Circle Eraser. Then I have used a Lakme foundation, normal, very moderate coverage. Next I'm using another like concealer, which is my most favorite, LA Girl Pro, which is completely my shade in the yellow tone. So yeah, little on my chin because my chin is a little patchy, dark patchy. So yeah, people use it wherever they want, so you can use it wherever you want. Going to the stippling brush again, I'm just dabbing it like this. So are you guys not enjoying the lockdown? I am not enjoying now because there's nothing to do, yet there are a lot of things to do. I'm cooking all the time. I don't know what to cook, but I'm cooking all the time. I don't know how to cook like perfectly. I can cook anything, but still I don't know how to cook. And like I haven't learned cooking, but I can cook all the Indian dishes almost. I can bake a cake, I can make kheer, I can make halwa, I can make puri, I can make all the kind of vegetable curries. Then I can make pizza, I can make hot dog burgers, I can make Manchurian, I can make cake, everything. Like I make everything. Indian pakoras, snacks, bread, toast, sandwiches, bread rolls. I can make everything, but I don't know. I'm making all the time something. So next is, so this is, I'm done with my base. I'm going to go to I was thinking of a loose powder, but I'm going to switch towards a pressed powder. So this is a pressed powder, which is L'Oreal Matte Magique, one of my most favorite. I'm using a tapering brush so that I don't want to, this doesn't take out a lot of product, right? You can just shed it away. So just a little I'm dabbing, I'm not doing anything, just a little dabbing. It's just a shadow, it's not like neck, it's the shadow of my own face. So I'm done with that base. Actually, now I'm done with my base. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to jump into my brows. So the brow game has to be on point according to me. I love doing brows, and they're very critical, and it's very difficult to make perfect brows. I managed to do it. I really like making brows, and yeah. So I'm using a 24K Nudes palette of Maybelline, which I use like since ages, and I'm going to the matte dark brown shade. That's it. Your brow game needs to be on point. Like, it can make or break your face. You know, brows can actually make your face beautiful or can break your face. So this is the brow, and I'm going to just comb it, like to make it a little hairy and natural. Earlier it was like very thin brows were in fashion, but now they are bushy brows, thick brows, so we need to make our brows now. I never made my brows earlier before this thick game started. So next is just going a little over my eyes. So I'm just going to use the other palette of Maybelline, which is in blushed nudes. It has shades of pinks and greys and lavenders kind of. So I'm just going to be using this shade, which is a golden shade, shimmery golden nude shade. Just applying it like this, just giving a shimmery shade to my eyes. With the same brush, I am going towards a little golden, going it over the brow, over the, you know, crease line, and I'm just going to this pink, and I'm just going to the crease line again to give a pink shade. It is a little darker than the earlier two shades, so yeah. So this is all I'm doing with my eyes today. I haven't done anything at all, just a normal shading to my eyes, nothing else. Next I'm going to be doing a kajal. So I'm going for a brown kajal. Like, let's not go for a brown kajal, let's go for a normal kajal with this pencil only. And I'm going this taupe shade over here, which is a matte one, and I'm just doing the half of my so I'm done with my brows. The next thing I'll do is I'm going to use a simple mascara, which is Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, to curl my lashes, not to make them lengthy or whatever, just to curl them and to make them a little voluminized. It doesn't make lengthy as far as I've observed this mascara. It curls the lashes because of its brush. I really want to try the Too Faced mascara. Its name is Better Than Sex. I have heard it, not because of the intriguing name, you know, name is very attractive, but still there are very less things in the world which are better than sex. But yeah, if this say, I really want to use it, just because many of the artists I follow on Insta and on YouTube channels, they really praise this mascara, Too Faced mascara. So yeah, Nykaa has launched the Too Faced range like 2-3 months ago, and I'm going to go for its highlighter and its mascara soon. They are very pricey. They are high-end products, like 3,000 products, but I'm going to be buying them one at a time, you know. But I have to. So let's go to a normal blush on. I'm not contouring my face because I want to do a simple makeup, so contouring is always overrated. So I'm going to for a nude blush on, which is actually a nude bronzer, but I use it as a blush on. So yeah, can you see? It's just a skin colored blush on with a hint of brown. So yeah, last but not the least, I'm going for a lip shade, and lip shade I'm going to be using is, okay, it's a Mahogany Studs. It's L'Oreal Color Riche Matte 636 number. It's 950 rupees. It's I love this cocoa shade. You know, I'm a person for whom more is less. No matter how much I apply any product, it's always less. So yeah, so this is the makeup, like a normal makeup. This is a normal makeup which is not gaudy or which is not overpowering, and it's not a party kind of makeup. It's very normal makeup, like I'm touching my face, and it's a normal makeup. Just there is a little shine on eyes. I have given that a little shimmery. It is very little shimmery shade, you know. It's not very shimmery, it's as it is looking in the video. It's same shade. So now the thing is, I'm going to convert this makeup into a party makeup, right? So we are going to be starting with the first thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, I can't seem to find the thing I want, but I got it. It's a cotton. So the cotton, I'm going to took my lip shade off. I took my lip shade off like completely off. So I'm going to be little modifying my eyes, and for that I'm going to be using this brush right here, which is Pro Art AE25. It's a fluffy crease brush, like it's a crease brush and it's a fluffy one. So I'm going to be using a palette, which is the palette which has been lying with me since ages, and I love that palette, and it is a little costly also. And the palette is Yoo-Hoo, my most favorite Inglot palette. So this is the palette I'm talking about. It is a magnetic cover. It is a customized palette. I chose all the 5 colors and I got it made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this glittery shimmery black shade. You can see it's proper shimmery. Not much, just dabbing off the excess. Going to be using it on my crease. Can you see what I have done? Can you see the difference in the eyes now? So same I'm going to be repeating on this eye quickly. So can you see what I have done? I have completely changed my eyes from a normal nude shiny eyes, not glittery, just a little sheen eyes, into a proper smoky eyes. I have done this. Yes, I have done this. Same base, not changing anything on the face, just use this. I've just changed the eye. Next I'm gonna do is I'll be taking a normal another dab, like putting on a product crease brush, and I'm taking this red shade right here. It's carrot red shade kind of shade. I'm just applying it below that crease line, like here. Just applying it here, not here, just here, below the black shading and over that nude glitter part I've applied earlier. That's it. See, I'm not applying it in the inner corner till half of my eyelid. I'm not, just applying it on the outer half of the eyelid, and I'm dabbing it actually. I'm not just putting it like this, I'm just dabbing it. Okay, these shadows are really pigmented. Like, I don't use any other product of Inglot. The only product I use of Inglot is this eyeshadow palette, which I made like 3 years ago. So clean the brush. I always thoroughly clean the brushes. So that's all for, like, that's the change in the upper eye. And now I am going to be changing a little. Just taking a purple kajal, normal pencil. It's 20 rupees pencil, I don't know, no brand. I'm just going to be applying it. I applied a little smoky black shade. No, the taupe grey shade I applied under my eye earlier from the Maybelline palette. I'm just mixing it with you can use blue in exchange of purple. Like, I'm using purple, you can use any blue liner or a brown one or even a black one. You can do a smoky black also, like on your lower line. It's a little hint of purple, nothing else. Last but not least, I'm going to be taking a mascara. So mascara I'm taking is Maybelline Lash Sensation. It's one of the best mascaras in the world. Why one of the best? The best mascara. It's lengthening, it's volumizing. This change of makeup is gonna take 3 to 4, like 4-5 minutes maximum. Even if you're slow at doing it, it's gonna take 4-5 minutes. That's it. Next I'm gonna do is I am going to be taking a red lip. So this is the catch of the video, a red lip. So yeah, so this is a red lip. Okay, this is a lipstick of Chambord, Chambord, Chambord. It's pronounced as Chambord, and it's a beautiful shade. It's not very bloody red, but it's a normal red. So yeah, that's the shade I'm using today. So last but not the least, I'm going to go a little highlighting effect. So the highlighter I'm going to use is okay, I have two options: NYX Golden Glow and Maybelline Master Chrome, that is a rose gold. So let's go for rose gold one, and I'm going to be taking normal tapering, but I'm not taking the big flat round brush. I'm taking normal. I'm going to be applying it on the apples of my cheeks also. Last but not the least, with the same brush, same tapering brush, I'm going to take a normal compact and apply it just under my eye. Okay guys, okie dokie. So this is actually the party makeup. Like, I changed completely the normal simple makeup into a party makeup. Last but not the least, I'm going for Huda Beauty. You can take any other spray. Just gonna let these things melt into my face. It's quickly gonna dry it. Okay, it's not, no fan, just the air conditioner. Okay. It's so hot. If you have a room upstairs, like on the first floor or the second floor, your room is very hot this weather. Oh, it's almost May. It's like hot summers now. I want summers to be more hot. The reason is coronavirus. So yeah, this is the makeup. I can show you in certain lights. Like, I'm going to switch on my ring light. Okay. So can you see the makeup and all? It's shiny, it's shimmery, it's everything you want to see. So I have changed a simple makeup into a proper party makeup by just changing two shadows, then by applying a highlighter and the lip shade. The same base, same concealer, same compact, same blush on, same eyebrows, nothing else. Just added a little hint of red. Add any color to the shadow. Make a little smoky line on the crease and add any color to the shadow. I added a carrot red color, which is it's gonna go with my lipstick, that's why. And it's gonna go with the color I'm wearing also. It has that red color of flower. I matched. I suck. But you can use green, you can use blue, any color. You can give a hint of coral, orange, pink, magenta, fuchsia, purple. You can give a hint of any color, just 1-2% hint. Like, you can see a little shine of red in the shadow. That's just adding a little detailing to the eye, nothing else. And I changed the lip shade completely, obviously. Other was the cocoa brown, now it's a normal red. So this is the makeup tutorial for today, how to change a normal makeup, being at home or just going out to market. makeup into a proper party makeup. You can put on a party outfit right now, or a date night outfit, or go for a date a dinner party with husband or your friends, or with your boyfriend or your parents, whatever. Just this is a normal makeup to go anywhere, birthday parties, or even you can go this with a cocktail night also. You can add a little more glitter over here, this golden glitter, and you can go for a party with the same base, same blush on, same highlighter, same lipstick, same eyes, everything same. Not the same outfit. I'm wearing a normal top and a normal skirt, just a normal top skirt kind of clothes I wear at home. Comfortable clothes. So yeah, this is a makeup tutorial for today. If you like my video, I know you like it, please like it, please comment below, please subscribe to my channel. I really need support. I really need appreciation. If you like it, do appreciate me. Thank you so much for watching. This video is 25 minutes and I shall see you soon. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or any day, with something next which comes to my mind. There is something. So yeah, till then, take care, bye bye.